Hello.
We are Play Disrupt.
We are a public engagement studio based in Bristol that uses play and creative methods to bring different people's voices into decision making.
We are working on the public mapping platform, a research project to create a communal digital map of Anglesey with multiple layers that reflect different aspects of life on the island. It is linked to the Future Generations Act and will be used by local authorities to inform their planning for the future. As part of the public mapping platform, we've been working with groups of young people across Anglesey to help design how the map looks and what symbols, sounds or movements we use to represent different things on it. We've been using games and making models to play with different ways of representing things on the map, to represent young people and their experiences of the area. Here are some examples of the icons children and young people made in our workshops.
Three, die, in.
Go. Again. Oh.
Come on, you Reds!
What does using bits and bobs to have this conversation do? Does
It helps you express what you're on about more, because normally you can't actually say it.
show-
You can't
show
show
what
what you're
you
saying. You can actually.
Okay, but by making it, you
Yeah,
show it.
making it you can show more what you mean of like what you want to like
Actually have.
actually have in parks
Like,
or
like-
anywhere.
Yeah.
I feel like when you have it just like drawn even, I'd rather like build it to actually show what the structure would look like.